Hey guys, today I'm doing my beach bag essential day. I'm just gonna show you what's in my beach bag. So I got this beach bag. Well, it's not really a beach bag, but it says "Give Love" from Love Culture. I only got it for 68 cents. And
Yes.
I have some shorts. They're like denim shorts. They're almost high-waisted. I have a water bottle. Some sunscreen. And a crop top. Just a little sunflower crop top. And a t-shirt. It says New York Yankees. That's all. And then I have this little random bag that I keep my lip products in. That's about it. Bye.